I say this with full confidence. Most seniors wake up, go to the bathroom, and then go straight back to bed, not because they're tired, but because of leg pain. But let me tell you, going back to bed right after waking up is not rest. That's your body quietly giving up, and you weren't made to give up. You were made to move. So let's fix the leg pain. If this sounds like your routine, you're not alone. Every single day, millions of seniors wake up feeling pain before they even take their first full breath. The legs feel heavy, the joints feel stiff, and the mind begins to accept that movement will be limited, just like yesterday. But the real problem is not the pain itself. It's the silent habit of surrendering to it. That quiet moment when your body says, maybe I'll just lie down again. That moment is the real enemy. Not your age, not your bones, not even the pain. Because the human body, even in its senior years, is made to move, to walk, and to live with strength. Now, let's ask a simple but important question. Why do so many seniors feel leg pain, especially in the morning? The answer is often a combination of dehydration, inflammation, poor circulation, and mineral imbalance. And guess what? All four of these causes can be directly improved through nutrition, not medication. You don't need synthetic pills to get relief. You don't need surgeries, steroids, or weekly injections. What you need is the right natural combination. Something simple, something safe, and something your body actually understands. This is why we talk about a powerful, natural combination to reduce leg pain and morning stiffness. That combination is watermelon and lemon. Let's start with watermelon. It's over 90% water, yes, but don't confuse it with just hydration. This fruit is a powerhouse. It contains a compound called citrulline, which helps improve blood circulation and provides oxygen to the muscles. For those suffering from leg pain, poor circulation is a silent cause. When your muscles and joints aren't getting enough oxygen-rich blood, they tighten, cramp, and ache. Now, let's talk about the second part of this powerful combo. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, yes, but their deeper benefit lies in their alkalizing and anti-inflammatory properties. When lemon juice enters your system, especially first thing in the morning, it helps cleanse your body, reduce uric acid buildup, and lower inflammation around your joints. Watermelon also contains potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help prevent muscle cramps and support nerve function. These are the exact nutrients your legs cry out for when they feel tired, sore, or weak. And since watermelon is naturally sweet and hydrating, it becomes the perfect morning fuel for seniors. For many seniors, joint pain isn't just mechanical. It's chemical. Inflammation builds up from years of dietary imbalance, stress, or inactivity. Lemon helps neutralize that, and when combined with watermelon, it acts like a natural detox elixir for your legs. Imagine waking up in the morning and instead of dragging your feet back to bed, you give your body a glass of watermelon and lemon blend. Within a week, you'll begin to feel lightness, a difference in how your legs respond when you stand. No heaviness, no hesitation, just motion. You don't have to eat them in any complicated form. Simply take a few slices of fresh watermelon, squeeze half a lemon over it, and eat it fresh, preferably within 30 minutes of waking up. You can even blend them together with a little water to create a refreshing, pain-relieving morning drink. The best part? It costs less than your painkiller, and it heals instead of hiding the pain. Now, let's address the real reason most people ignore natural remedies. They think it's too simple to be effective, but healing doesn't always come in capsules. Sometimes, it comes from the earth, sweet, juicy, and bright yellow. This combo doesn't just help your legs, it helps your kidneys flush out excess toxins. It hydrates your body on a deep cellular level. It improves your energy, mood, and even sleep. And the science backs it up. Studies have shown that citrulline in watermelon improves vascular function, especially in older adults. Other studies link lemon water to reducing joint inflammation and faster recovery in muscles after physical activity. So here's the challenge. For the next 7 days, give your body this one small gift. Watermelon plus lemon one time each morning on an empty stomach if possible. Don't expect a miracle overnight, but listen to your body by day 3. Notice how your legs feel when you stand. Pay attention to how long you can walk without fatigue. You'll see the change and, more importantly, you'll feel it. And when you feel it, you'll no longer want to return to that bed in the morning. Because the moment your feet touch the ground, your body will know it's time to move. You're not meant to live in a cycle of waking, hurting, and lying back down. You're meant to rise, walk, stretch, and move freely, no matter your age. All you need is to give your body what it's been missing. Because if you're still breathing, you're still alive. And if you're still alive, you still deserve to walk like you're 27 again. So skip the excuses. Skip the pharmacy line. Walk into your kitchen, grab a slice of watermelon, squeeze some lemon over it, and take the first real step toward reclaiming your movement. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Don't let age or pain stop you from enjoying life. With small changes in your diet and daily habits, you can maintain flexibility and vitality. Not just live longer, but live healthier and happier. Start today.